In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zillow Rental Manager. 2026 guide, BTE. Zillow Rental Manager is your all-in-one hub for the entire rental lifecycle, so you can skip juggling spreadsheets and separate apps. Start by signing in to your Zillow account and heading to the Rental Manager dashboard. Add your property by entering the full address and be ready to verify ownership if prompted. Zillow may ask for a tax bill or mortgage statement. Once verification is complete, you'll have full administrative access to your property card, which becomes the command center for everything that follows. Next, craft a compelling listing. Use Price My Rental to compare real-time rent data for similar homes in your area, so you set a competitive price without guesswork. Write a clear description and include bright, high-resolution photos that showcase key features. When you publish, your listing automatically syndicates to Zillow, Trulia, and HotPads, putting it in front of over 34 million monthly visitors. If you want extra visibility and deeper performance insights, consider upgrading to Premium, which typically runs around $40 for 90 days. Tenant screening is fully integrated, and the platform handles sensitive data, so you don't have to. Applicants apply directly through the site and pay a one-time fee, usually about $35 that's valid for 30 days. You'll receive a comprehensive package, a credit report powered by Experian, a background check with criminal and eviction history, and income verification through uploaded pay stubs or W-2s. Review everything inside your dashboard, keep notes, and communicate with applicants securely. When you're ready to move forward, build the lease digitally. Use templates drafted with local law firms to stay compliant, or upload your own PDF for e-signing. Send it to all tenants, track who has signed in your leases tab, and keep everything stored in one place. For rent collection, enable ACH transfers, which are free for both landlords and tenants. Zillow automates reminders, tracks payment status, and helps you record move-in fees and security deposits. For ongoing management in 2026, you'll find powerful new tools. The AI Leasing Assistant, powered by Elise AI, responds to renter inquiries around the clock and can schedule tours in multiple languages, helping you capture leads even when you're offline. The maintenance tracker lets tenants submit requests with photos. You can log tasks like repair water heater and record costs right in the dashboard. And when tax time rolls around, export payment histories and ledgers as CSV or PDF files to streamline your Schedule E reporting. That's the tour of Zillow Rental Manager. With these features, you'll stay organized, professional, and ready to scale your rental business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.